In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a user in Twilio so your team can collaborate smoothly on projects and communication tools. Before we continue, make sure to like this video so more people can find these helpful guides. Start by logging into your Twilio console. Once you're on the dashboard, go to the Twilio admin area on the left side of the screen. You will see a users option. That's where you control who can access your Twilio organization. Inside the user section, select invite user. A panel will open where you simply enter the person's email address. Double check the spelling so the invitation doesn't bounce, and let them know to look out for the email just in case it lands in spam. Next, choose what role this person should have. You can assign administrator access, which allows full control over the organization, user management, and all accounts under it. Only select this for people you fully trust with the entire system. Or you can choose standard user. This gives them only the access they need for their specific work without letting them change core organization settings. Perfect for most team members. Once the role is selected, click Invite User and Twilio will send the onboarding link automatically. When they accept the invite, they'll join your Twilio organization and can start working right away. And that's it. You have now added a user in Twilio in just a few clicks. If you want more quick Twilio tutorials like this, subscribe and comment below what you want to learn next. See you in the next video.